Well, g'day curd nerds. Today is a taste test for jalapeno cheddar. So this cheddar was made, well, it was ready for tasting in the 11th of April. It's now middle of May, but that's okay, another month. Ripening is not going to hurt this cheese at all. Just on close inspection, the cheese has no mold under the vacuum packing. There was no gas production during aging, which was really, really good. So it looks very well intact. And there's no, well, it doesn't look like the jalapenos, the fresh jalapenos that I used, have rotted in any way. So let's cut open the bag and go from there, shall we? Oh, nice and dry inside, no moisture at all. It's good to see. It smells very cheesy. That's a good positive sign. So let's cut into it. If I can get it square here on the chopping board. Go. Let's have a look inside. Oh, very nice. So, no mechanical holes. I must have pressed it hard enough, which is good. Nice. It smells delicious. Smells very, well, like a cheddar, I suppose. Like a cheddar is supposed to smell. So let's cut that up a little bit more. Get out of the way. There we go. And yeah, very nice. It looks like the wire cut through. Nice big piece of jalapeno there. So let's get out the trusty knife. Oh no, maybe not. No, I'll just try and cut it with a wire again on a piece for tasting. I think that's about right. Nice slab sized piece. Let's go. There we go. Alrighty. Nice. Alright, I don't really want that big, so we'll cut it with the knife. No crackers today. Just want to taste the raw excitement of the jalapeno cheddar. Let me just put my hands there. Oh, I'm excited. Where's a piece with nice big pieces of jalapeno? There we go. Oh, smells lovely. Oh, very, very nice. It's got the subtlest flavour, a little bit of a kick there at the back of the throat. But I tell you what, that is divine. It's creamy, not sharp. So this is more of a tasty cheddar, certainly not a mature or anything like that. What I might do, seeing the jalapenos have held up very well in this cheese, and really added some nice flavour to it. I think what I'll do, the larger half here, I will vacuum pack and put it back in the cheese cave, probably let it age for another 6 months, see if I can get a little bit of sharpness there. But this is a very nice eating cheese. All the characteristics of a very nice, tasty cheddar, matured for about 3 months. Very Moorish. I like it a lot. Oh, I've got to eat this piece. Well, that's a hit. Really, really nice. So you can go back and check out the jalapeno cheddar video on how I made it. This is perfect, it really is. And I'm not trying to blow my own trumpet or anything like that. It's just a very, very nice cheese. Turned out very well. Very pleased with how it has turned out. So yeah, I like that a lot. I like the recipe. I wouldn't change it at all. Really has turned out very, very well. So if you do want to check out the video, then you can check it out over here and have a look at how I made jalapeno cheddar. You can get the kit over at littlegreenworkshops.com.au, as well as all your cheese making supplies. We ship throughout Australia and internationally as well. Now don't forget that this cheese video was made possible by my patrons and YouTube members. They support the show financially, and if you want to check out how you can do that as well, you will find the links in the description below. Well, thanks for watching, Curd Nerds. Another successful cheese from Gav the Cheese Man. Well, thanks for watching, and I'll see you next time.